Hello, welcome to another episode of our web development series here. Right now I want to go over iframes. So what are iframes? They're basically like interactive links, like a portal that you can include in your web page that will like show you a different web page inside of your web page. So here's an example on w3schools.com. And this is what an iframe looks like. So we are on the web page right now, and it's displaying another web page inside of the web page. So it's like a portal, and you portal to a different web page if you want. And we're going to be using this today and learning how to apply it in our code. So the syntax of like just the basic syntax of an iframe is right here. So let's apply that to our code here. I'm gonna go into my default.html and I'm gonna do it right under my header. So iframe source equals, and then you do a URL. So I want to do like a iframe that links to my another tutorial channel. Let's do that. So I'm gonna go and just copy that link to another tutorial channel. And I'm gonna paste that right there. And title equals description. So another tutorial channel. And close off the iframe. And now we set the height and width. So right after the source height equals, let's just follow the example for this here, 200 pixels, and width equals, excuse me, 300 pixels. Okay, so now save that, go back to my page, refresh, and there we have the iframe, although youtube.com is refusing to connect. What a shame. So I guess you can't do it to youtube.com. Or maybe I can, let's see. No, it doesn't let me do it to youtube.com, darn it. Well, I'll just try this exact same page. There it is. Make that a little bit wider. 600 pixels. And there we have a page inside of a page, web page inside of a web page. If I interact with these that I set the routing up for, it goes to the web pages. Although we haven't set up any of these web pages yet. Cool. Okay, so that's how you use an iframe. So here it goes over removing the border. So if we want to remove the border, we do style and then border none. So let's do that right here. Style, border none. don't see the difference. Oh wait, never mind, yeah. Okay, so undo it real quick so you can see the difference with me. Save. So that's what it looks like with the borders, just like a tiny gray line. And I'm removing the borders, we'll remove that tiny gray line border right there. Yeah, actually, I don't know, I kind of like the indicator that it's a page within a page right there, that border right there. So I'm going to keep that. So here it goes over changing the size. We already demonstrated how to do that. You just adjust the pixel count for height and width. And then let's see. So it's going over how it can be used as a target frame for link. So here they use the, let's see, href. They linked to their web page right there. And the target was iframe A at w3schools.com. And then up here you specify iframe A. That's like the identifier for it. So if you have multiple iframes and you want this to be like a target for a specific iframe in a page, then this is how you do it. And there you go. That's all there is to do with iframes. Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.